go pat the bunny. I swear that someday I'll tell you without lying, I was born to quit smoking, I was born to quit dying. On that day, not doing heroin would be easy as piss, and on that day, I'll stop talking so much shit about the government. Urine speaks louder than words on a politician or on a prison warden. Urine speaks louder than words. I swear that today I was born to be living, I was born to be singing, I was born to be fighting. But will somebody say, is this a resistance or a costume party? Either way, I think black with bandanas is a boring thing. I don't gotta tell you, crackers are great with amnesia when they wanna forget something like centuries of racism. They say, look at the man on center stage and pay no attention while millions get locked in a cage. Riots break out in Oakland, but urine speaks louder than words on a politician or on a BART policeman. Urine speaks louder than words.
Protest.